do a shot of Tiny walking toward me here, vertically. Hi, sweetie. You telling me to go get more food? You want more? Please, sir, could I have some more? But if I get up, I know you'll run away, darling. Oh, maybe not away, but you won't stay there, that's for sure. It's all right, honey. Oh, you're such a little doll. Such a little darling. So little. See, I got a problem with that area next to me there. It's so close that this camera makes it really close. I need to get further away to get a decent shot over there. I have to physically move the camera and tripod. Hi, Tiny. Hi, little girl. I'm pretty sure it's a little girl. Almost seems like it has to be. She's so small. Alright, honey, I'm having trouble keeping up with you.